It is a lot of fun to make a sugar bun, and we're using the same exact dough that we use for the sticky buns to make these beautiful, light, sugary, fluffy, buttery buns. You're gonna love these. They are really good. I'm going to show you how to make a lovely cinnamon sugar bun. And the sugar is just flavored with cinnamon. Use 1 cup of sugar and lots of cinnamon. You can grind your own if you happen to have some beautiful cinnamon bark, or you can just use 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon from the spice market. Stir this up and add about 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt. Stir this up, and this will be your flavoring. So that's your cinnamon mixture. We have buttered muffin tins. These are the regular size muffin tins, well buttered. And our dough has risen. Uncover it. It smells so good when you uncover it. I use a substantial amount of bench flour. And here's that same beautiful dough. Process is pretty much the same. Dough is soft, work quickly. No nuts, nothing, just cinnamon and sugar. So this is about 18 inches by 10 inches. One way you can do it is by stretching. It's a little stretchy. And we'll even it out as we go along. So here you have softened butter. Spread about 2 tablespoons of butter. Room temperature with a soft pastry brush all over the surface. You're going to roll it exactly the same way. And use about 1/3 of this mixture. Sprinkle all over. Again, roll up from the long side. And we're going to make 12 buns. Very easy. Trying to get it into a little bit of flour so that it doesn't stick. Now the same thing, just cut in the middle again, and into thirds. Put it right into the muffin tin. This dough will sit in a warm place until it's doubled in size. Pinch the little loose end if you think it's going to have any chance to unfurl. Just pinch it and see how I'm pressing them down. Okay, so again, cover this with clear wrap and let rise. The sticky buns are rising very, very nicely. Now look, these have more than doubled in size. And these have doubled in size. They're ready to go into the oven now at 350 degrees. And uncover them, of course. Bake the sticky buns for 35 to 40 minutes. The sugar buns will bake for 22 to 24 minutes. So the sticky buns have been turned out. You have to turn them out while they're still very warm. Otherwise, everything will stick in the bottom of the pan. But look how glistening and beautiful the sticky buns are. Let them cool now on a rack and then place them on your serving tray. They'll be gone in a matter of minutes. The sugar buns, the cinnamon sugar buns, take out of the pan. See how easily they come out? And now brush with melted butter on the tops and dip in the remaining cinnamon and sugar. These two will cool and they will be gone within minutes.